Good morning children. Welcome to today's class. Before going to today's class, yesterday what we discussed once we recall. Yesterday we discussed forming of greatest number, smallest number with the given digits and rounding of numbers. Some only we said. So today again I will discuss rounding of numbers. Yesterday I said one method. For example, 73. 73 round up to their nearest tens. So what I said, so which one we have to round off tens to place, we have to round off, then we have to see ones to place. Ones to place digit is less than 5. These digits are less than 5. Then what we have to say, write tens to place as it is and ones to place make it 0. So 73 nearest tens is 17. One more example. 435. Round off to the nearest tens. Nearest tens we have to round off. Means tens to place we have to round off before place. What have before place? Ones to place. Ones to place either 5 or greater than 5 digits. Means these digits greater than or equal. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These digits are there in ones to place. Then what we have to do? Tens to place we have to add 1 plus 1. And ones to place make it 0. Then what you will get? Write 100 place as it is. Tens to place digit what have here? 3. 3 plus 1, 4, 0. So 435. Nearest tens is 440. One more example. 3627. Round off to the nearest tens. We are discussing about tens only. So tens to place this here in this number tens to place digit what? 2. Then which one you have to see? 7. 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 2 plus 1. What you will get? 3630. So like this we have to round off tens to place. Like this same way next we have to go for hundreds also. See one example. 843. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds place. So we have to round off hundreds place. Then now which digit we have to see? Tens to place. When we are seeing tens to place here, which digit have 4? 4 is less than 5. So no need to add 100 place, right as it is. And remaining ones to place and tens to place make it 0. So what you will get? 843 and nearest hundreds is 800. One more example. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Hundreds we have to see here 100 place which digit? 2. When you are rounding hundreds place, before place you have to see. What is here? Tens place which digit have? 6. 6 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 6 is greater than 5. So we have to add plus 1 to the 100 place. So then what you will get? 4. 2 plus 1, 3. And remaining tens to place and ones to place make it 0. So 4268 nearest hundreds is 4300. Next we can write like this thousands and 10,000s also. See one example. 7463. Round off to the nearest thousands. Thousands mean when you are rounding thousands place, which digit you have to see? Hundreds place digit. 100 place digit, which digit you have here? 4. 4 is less than 5 or greater than 5? 4 is less than 5. So then write as it is thousands place. So remaining 3 places you make it 0. So what is answer? 7,000. So 7,463. Nearest thousands is 7,000. One more example. 28,647 thousands. Round off to the nearest thousands. So we are rounding thousands place. Which one you have to see? Hundreds place. 100 place digit what have here? 6. So 6 is greater than 5. Then what you have to do? Add 1 plus 2 thousands place. 10,000 place write as it is. Thousands place 8 plus 1 what you will get? 9. Remaining 3 digit what you have to take? 0. So what you will get? 29,000. So like this we can do 10,000s also, lakhs also. See one example. $83,472. These number I am rounding tens place, hundreds place, thousands place and 10,000s place also. First I am rounding tens place. What I am rounding? Tens place. Tens place I am rounding. Then what we have to see? Ones place. Ones place what have? 2. 2 is less than 5. So write as it is tens place and ones place make it 0. So 83,470 nearest tens. Next 83,472. Same number I am rounding hundreds place. 100 place which digit here? 4. So then what we have to see? Tens place which digit have? 7. 7 is greater than 5 or less than 5? 7 is greater than 5. So we have to add 1 to hundreds place. So 1000 place, 10,000 place write as it is. And hundreds place add 1, 4 plus 1, 5. And remaining tens place, ones place make it 0. So what is answer? 83,500. Next same number I am rounding thousands place. So then what we have to see? Thousands place 100 digit what have hundreds place digit? 4. So no need to add 1 to 3. Write as it is. So 83,000. Next I am rounding 10,000s place. So when I am rounding 10,000s place, I am taking thousands place digit what here? 3 is less than 5. So write 10,000s place as it is and remaining all digits make it 0. So what you will get? 80,000. So like this we have to round off the numbers to their nearest tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. Let us see one more example. 8,37,846. This number I am rounding first tens place. Then what we will get answer? Say answer. 8,00,000 tens place. When you are rounding tens place, you see ones place. What are here ones place? 6. 6 is greater than 5. So we have to add tens to place 1 and ones to place make it 0. So what you will get? 8,37,850. Next, 8,37,846. Round off to the nearest hundreds. Say hundreds, what we have to discuss? Just hundreds I will say. 8,37,000. Hundreds place means tens to place 4. So we have to no need to add. Write 0. So like this we can make it thousands, 10,000s place also. So next class we will discuss next topic.